Grace to you and peace from God our Father and the Lord Jesus Christ. Do a real quick unboxing of a Bible. You guys will be with me to see if it's anything wrong with it. Any inconsistencies, and you guys will be seeing it as I see it. They updated their cards, Schuyler Bible cards. That's kind of neat. And got the box, Schuyler Bible, silver writing. Tells you what it is right there. Quentel NLT, dark purple goat skin. Clamshell box. Hand wrapped like always. And they really wrap them now. Never used to do the tape. It's been a while since I got one, so let's see. It feels really supple already. And that's the purple. Really pretty. Holy Bible, New Living Translation, Schuyler. 3, 4, 5, 6 spine hubs. As you can see, it's the full yap. It touches. That's always good news. Touches there. Touches on top. And you have the Schuyler card. Presentation pages.